Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're out on a Sunday afternoon. It's kind of you know, a cloudy day. We were planning to do like a little bit of a trail, but as you see, it's raining today. I think our plans are gonna change. We're still gonna make the most of it. We're still gonna head out and enjoy it with my best friend. Oh, there's also a car show. Let's see if we can go to the car show and check that out. Already had our lunch. We stopped by McDonald's. We just eat like some fries, chicken nuggets, and my husband had a burger and I had a chicken burger. So we're full right now. It's gonna be another half an hour to get there. I forgot to mention, yesterday was a hot day for New Jersey. It was like 74 degrees in November. Today is November 6th. I wish we were able to do something yesterday, but we couldn't. So anyway, let's see what we're going to be able to do today. We're here and look, a new family member. Her name is Maze, or if you watch the show that I like, Mazikeen. Hi, cutie. I can barely see your eyes. Hello. Hello. Say hello. Okay, so we're headed back on the road. We're gonna go to that car show. We only have about an hour left for the show once we get there. So we're gonna get there in about 30 minutes. My friend, she's always so sweet. She gave us some nonpareils. This is one of my favorite candies growing up as a child. She treated me last night, I didn't tell you guys. We met her up at the bowling alley and she treated me with like a cup called Nurse's Life right on the front and a bag of these chocolates. And now she gave us another bag. So that's gonna be our treat for on the way to the car show.
This is the Delaware Water Gap. I think this like little thing here is for water overflow if the river overflows.
All right, we're here. This town is cute. Like the houses are gorgeous. The scenery is beautiful. Everything is breathtaking. We passed by the Delaware River, and so we're not too far from there. Anyway, we have about half an hour left, so we're gonna hustle and get to where all the action is. There's some people that are leaving already. We're missing it. A lot of classic cars. There's a tank in front of us. More classic cars this way. I'm not a car person. Joe would know. He can tell you all about these cars. I'm just showing you what I see. Oh, look at this. Oh. I can just stand right here.
Walk up
We can just stand right here and just watch all the cars pass by. Oh, look at this one. Oh, they're leaving. All right, we're just gonna watch them leave then. There's another one. With the mix of classic cars and these gorgeous mountains, it's just a perfect event to go to. The rain passed us already. The ground is still a little bit wet, but we can still manage. But actually, I'm looking at the cars, they look pretty dry, so maybe it didn't rain here. Maybe it rained early in the day. There are a lot of families hanging around, just talking. Everybody's admiring each other's cars. It's a nice family event. They have some food over there. They had music because it looks like they have speakers back there. And then way in the back, you see on the mountain with the trees, the foliage is turning yellow and a little bit of red. On the way, we did pass hills, so you really need a good car coming this way. So tomorrow's Veterans Day, and my friend said they just had a parade. Look at all the hot rods. Stand in front of this car. Look how low it is. Mustang. I only know because I read it. Chevrolet. Automobile. I'm sure you guys, if you know about cars, I don't have to tell you. I'm clueless, so my husband can tell you better. Can give you some description. I asked him, I said, can you talk about these cars? I really don't know what to say. This is cute. Flatbed. Chevrolet. Oh, this is Joe's. This is my husband cup of tea right here. Yep, Joe's interested. Hi, Catherine. What do you think, honey? They have some other people selling their items. On this side, they have some signs. 7-Up. It says Hires. Sony. Pretty cool signs if you want to display it in your house or in a garage. Beautiful view once again. I was just talking about the owner of the stand, and I was telling him that we just went on a cruise, and this would have been perfect to bring with us. All these things that you can use to decorate your place. Maybe a man cave. The green one looks nice. These are vintage, huh?
A pea jacket or something.
My daughter likes this one, but it's $135. It looked like a fruit stand from where I was standing, but it's not. It's all these utility items. More cars that are leaving. They said it did rain pretty heavy here, so we actually came at a good time. The rain stopped and we still get to see some of the cars.
Oh, I like this truck.
Yeah. Nice. This guy too. Really low. More stuff on sale. They have the cast iron skillets. Oh, I have one of these. I forgot what they're called. Mocha. It's for espresso. You don't need a fancy machine, just that. And that actually, that's a good brand. Bialetti. Have some coasters. More signs. Michelob. Some books. Very vintage items. Oh, look at this camera. I don't know what these are. What backup lens for Chevrolet. Wow. 1958 Chevrolet. And some vintage books. Police sirens? Missed that car. There's another one. Yeah, look at this car. It's really nice. I love it. I love it, love it. The flatbed Chevrolet is going, and so is Joe's favorite Volkswagen. Look how low it is, guys. Uh-oh. We're having a little trouble getting it started. Not much left of the cars. Everybody's pretty much leaving. And this area back here, there's a swamp. So you have like little bugs flying around. And it's so muggy. So I had to put my hair up. I'm still wearing sleeveless in November because I do get pretty hot. And the girls want to go to the monkey bars. I think I'm going to go ahead and let them because the car show's already ending. Right, Catherine? You want to go to the monkey bars? All right. I wish we got here a little bit earlier, maybe a half an hour earlier. But we stopped by to eat, and I think that's just what took our time. So anyway, all right. So I'm going to let the kids enjoy the little playground that they have here. Yeah, so they have some monkey bars. Yeah, I mean, it's wet here. It just rained. A couple of swings. The other side, they have some slides, but it looks like for little kids. And there's still plenty of bugs in this area. Oh. Oh, look, there's a gun on top. Look, they got a gun inside too. That's pretty cool.
Guys, have a good time.
Thank you. We got to visit Cooters. They said it's in Virginia, in the Shenandoah Valley, and there are also caverns that we can visit. So that's something on our list.
Oh, how much? Here, $5. $5.
Just noticed back there in that garage, they have all this firewood stocked up. Looks like they're ready for winter. Here's a memory stone. Not an actual burial ground, but a memory stone. And then they have a little garden here and 2 composters in the back. This is cute. They still have a red tomato hanging there off a dead tomato plant. Oh, and lots of peppers. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me see if I can climb a little higher. I love a garden. If I had the space, I'd grow a lot of vegetables. Oh, look at that. That's kind of sad. They have already like overripened eggplants, lots of tomatoes on the ground, pepper plants full of tomatoes. Oh. They got some kale or some kind of green vegetable in the back. And that they can still harvest. Okay, so it was fun while it lasted. We're gonna head out of here. We might be going downtown just to walk around and have dinner. We're not sure. It's a very chill day.
Oh, those are little bird statues.
go ahead and get some wings before we go to my friend's house. So here's our wing place, and here's the name of the wings that they serve.
If you eat 15 pieces in 10 minutes, you're not gonna do it. You're gonna mess up your night.
What did you get?
Greek salad.
Oh, that's good.
It is.
And which one is this?
That's chicken over rice, but this one has hot sauce and that one doesn't.
Oh,
You want to see this?
white sauce.
This is called a fat Douglas. You want to see what's in it?
Sure.
It's like those Patterson sandwiches.
Ooh.
It's everything on a sandwich.
For spicy?
No, none of these are spicy.
What, oh, no, not this
He
one
wants you
there?
guys to do the
Oh,
challenge.
nice.
Let's see. Oh my
Whoa.
God. That's
Oh,
red.
that's like super like temperature hot too.
Rob and Joe challenge King Wing. 3, 2, 1. Go ahead, guys. King Wing, guys, the challenge.
Man.
Whoa.
Look at Joe's eyes.
I'm starting to salivate.
Some people say it's not hot.
Yeah.
Don't worry, I'm a nurse. If something happens, I can help.
They
I don't
told me
know.
you're the master of the heat in this
I
area.
don't know.
You didn't chew it.
Yeah, I
you
can't do
swallowed
it.
it.
I can't do it.
Who's the winner?
Champion.
Yeah.
I'm crying. Oh God.
There you go, suicide wings.
So what Miller did.
Yeah.
It's spicy hot.
That's really spicy.
Do you just drink all my water?
So the owner of the King Wing, he asked for Joe and for Rob to do the suicide wings at his place. He took a video of it and he put it on his Facebook.
You good right now? I really don't.
What hurts? Your stomach?
My stomach feels like it's gonna explode.
Let's get some Tums in you. He was like, it hurts. And I'm like, don't touch your eye.
I think I got a little bit in my eye. I had to go to the bathroom and like dab it with a paper towel.
The boy's stomach still feels a little bit on fire, so we're gonna go ahead and get some ice cream at this place called Menchie's.
I'm getting your favorite.
Nonpareils.
You're not gonna get any?
So frozen yogurt, nah, I'm full. We got various toppings. This is like boba, but it's like bursting boba. Very sweet. What'd you get? Just plain chocolate?
I got like another flavor, just a little bit, and then I got like the chocolate.
You got the whole store.
No.
Before the night is done, my friend ordered all this food. They're all looking at me. It's kind of odd I'm vlogging like this. Anyway, so look, there's only a few of us yet. It's like a big, she ordered enough for like a whole party. Like seriously. But anyway, I am very thankful for her. I'm very thankful for what we have. And so this is gonna be our extra dinner tonight because we are pretty full already. Thank you, Mel. Thank you, Rob. All right, guys, it's already almost 8 o'clock, and that already includes our daylight savings time. We're kind of getting tired. It was a long day. We were just chit-chatting with my friend and her husband. Actually, her husband was a neighbor. They were both my neighbors as a child. So we're just talking about childhood memories. It was a really fun talk with them for this afternoon. And we're just also full. She keeps ordering us food. But I'm very thankful that we had this time together and just reminiscing our childhood memories. And meanwhile, the new member of their family is this little one here that I introduced you earlier. She is so adorable. She's like a little stuffed, like a little stuffed animal. She's so cute.
Yeah, but she's so sweet when she's
Yeah?
not trying to bite your arm off.
She's just only what was it, a year?
10 weeks old.
Oh, 10 weeks, yeah. So she has all the energy. I told the girls, I was like, nope, we're not getting a dog. Anyway, I'm gonna end this vlog. I thank you for watching and coming along with us. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And I'll see you again next time. Bye. Maze! Mazikeen! Little Mazikeen!
Mazikine's so cute.
Maze. Hi. Hi.
Hi.